is Omyansh. I study in second class and my story name is The Magic Pot and the characters are Ella and the witch. Oh, I am so hungry. I have not eaten for days. And even now there is nothing to eat. Maybe if I'll go for a walk, I will forget that how hungry I am. I am so tired. I have to drink some water. Witch. Hey little child, will you give me some water? I have not drink water for days. Ella. Yes, why not? Drink as much you like. You gave me some water. What can I do for you? Ella, I am very hungry. Will you give me some food? Yes. When you will go your home, you will see a pot lying on the table. And it will be magic pot. You will say the spell, cook little pot, cook, and for stop, stop, little pot, stop. Wow, I will go home immediately. Thank you.
Good morning to all respected principal, teachers and my dear friends. Today I am going to speak few lines on Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam was the great scientist and ideal teacher and the President of India. He born on 15 October 1931 in Rameshwaram, Tamil Nadu. He was a man of simple living and high thinking. He became an important part of ISRO in 1963. He was Dr. Kalam, popularly known as Missile Man of India. He wrote many popular books based on the science. He was honored by Padma Bhushan and Bharat Ratna for his great work. He died on 27th July 2015. Thank you.
Good evening, ma'am. My name is Rudraj. My topic is a thirsty crow. There was a crow. He was very thirsty. He flew here and there in search of water, but he could not find water in anywhere. And at last he reached in a garden. The crow was very happy. There was little water in it. He could not drink it. He thought a plan. He brought some pieces of stones and put them into the pot. The water rose up. He drank it and flew away. Moral of the story: where there is a will, there is a way. Thank you, ma'am. Have a nice day.
Morning to all of you. My name is Bhargav Mehra from class 2nd B. Today I am telling you about my favorite cartoon character, Chhota Bheem. My favorite cartoon character is Chhota Bheem. He lives in Dholakpur. He is very strong and powerful. He always fights for justice. He likes to eat laddus made by Tuntun auntie. Bheem's friends are Jaggu, Chutki and Raju. He also helps everyone in